Hi again. Welcome to ChatGPT with Excel. In the previous video, we have showed you how to use the sum and if functions using ChatGPT. In this video, we will be tackling the functions for left and right, DatedIf, and NetworkDays. These are still pretty simple functions, so let's get started. So let's start with the left and right function. Given here are some staff names. As you can see, Anne Tan, Robert Smith, and John Long. And in column D, I want to extract the first name from the staff names here in column C. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. In the chat box, I will type in write a Microsoft Excel function that returns the first word from cell C6. Enter. Now, ChatGPT has generated a formula for me using the left function. Okay, so let's just, you can read the description here if you'd like. Okay, so let's copy the formula and paste it back to our spreadsheet. Okay, and let's change the cell here since we've inputted the wrong cell, but not a problem. Let's just drag it back and hit enter. And there, we have extracted the first name. We can simply use the fill handle to drag this down. And here, we have the first name. Okay, so now let's try to extract the last name from still column C. Okay, so now we can go back to ChatGPT. Let's type write a Microsoft Excel formula that returns everything after the first word from cell C6. Enter. Okay, so ChatGPT is generating formula now. Okay, so we can copy this formula here and paste it back to our spreadsheet. Okay, again, let's just change the cells here. My bad. Okay. And hit enter. And there you have it. We have the last name. Drag the fill handle down. And that's it for left and right. Okay, so if. In this example, I want to calculate the ages of the staff here using their birthdays, just given in this column. Using this, I want ChatGPT to make a formula for me. Let's type, write a Microsoft Excel formula that gives the age of the person based on their birthday. Enter. Okay, so we have the formula here, DatedIf, and a short description of the formula. Okay, so let's highlight this, copy, and paste it back to our spreadsheet. And you have to replace birthday with the cell of the actual birthday. There you go. Okay, drag this down. Now we have the ages of our staff. Pretty simple. All right, that's correct. Let's try another example, also related to dates. Here, I would like to calculate the number of days between the start date and end date. Okay, so let's generate the formula again. Type write Microsoft Excel formula to give the number of days between a start date and end date. Okay, so ChatGPT generated a formula for us. We have some examples here as well. So let's just copy. Yeah, so to calculate the number of days between the start and end date in MS Excel, we can use the DatedIf function with the syntax here. Okay, so let's copy this one instead. And paste it, and let's replace unit with D since it's in days. So let's select the cell with the start date and the cell containing the end date. Enter. Okay, so we have the number of days between this one and this one. We have 33 days. So drag this down. Here you go. Okay, awesome. All right. By the way, if it generates an error, there might be a problem with the format of the date, so make sure dates are in the same format. So now what if we want to calculate for the number of working days? Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT again. Let's type write a Microsoft Excel formula to give the number of working days between the start and end date. Oops, start date and end date. Enter. Okay, it says here we can use the NetworkDays function to calculate the number of working days. By the way, the meaning of working days is basically excluding holidays, weekends, etc. Okay, so we have here some formulas and examples here. So let's just use the general syntax here and copy and paste it onto our spreadsheet. So again, let's just replace the dates with their respective cells. And there you go. We have 24 working days. Drag it down. Right, so now we have the number of working days between the start and end date. Awesome. So now we have just completed the left and right functions and DatedIf functions for this video. These functions can be used to complete different types of tasks, such as extracting a number from a product code or computing for the number of working days for a project. For the next parts, we'll be tackling other Excel functions with the help of ChatGPT. See you in the next video.